Emma's Christmas Day. It was Christmas Day, and Emma woke up later than usual. She was on school break for the festivities. She could see the snow through the window. Emma went to the living room still in her pajamas. She looked around. The house was beautifully decorated. A big Christmas tree stood in the corner. Garlands, lights, and ornaments filled the house. This year, Christmas dinner was going to be at her house. The day is going to be very busy, she thought. That made her excited because she loved days like these. She could not wait for the celebration. Her mother was in the dining room, and she looked a little stressed. She usually felt calm, but that morning she seemed anxious. There were many things to prepare before dinner. Emma said good morning to her mother. "This Christmas is going to be very special," said her mother the night before. "There are going to be 12 people at the table," she said happily. 7 adults and 5 children and teens, she explained. She said that her grandparents, aunt, uncle, and cousins were going to arrive at 6. Emma asked, "When is my brother going to be here?" A gloomy expression covered her mother's face as they sat by the fireplace. "He didn't catch his train," she said sadly. There was too much snow, and his bus to the train station arrived late. "Oh no," said Emma. She felt very sad because she missed her older brother. "He is going to try to get on the next train," explained her mother. "But he is going to miss Christmas dinner," she added. Her mother went to the closet in the entrance hall. She wanted to make space for the family's coats. Emma wanted to help her mother. She could see that her mother felt very sad. "Mom," she said gently. "Can I help you with anything?" Emma asked. Her mother looked back at her. "Yes, please. You can set the table," she said. Emma set the table with plates, glasses, silverware, and napkins. She added some decorations and candles. She counted 10 places because one cousin was a baby. "He is going to be asleep at dinner time," Emma thought. The table was longer than usual and very full. Her mother saw the table and smiled. "You are doing a good job. It looks beautiful," said her mother. In the kitchen, Emma's father was cooking the Christmas food. He enjoyed cooking very much. He could cook better than anyone else in the family. The food looked delicious. Emma could not wait for dinner. Everyone always loved her father's food. "It smells really good, Dad," said Emma. Her father smiled and thanked her. "Can I taste the sauce?" asked Emma. "I am going to eat everything, even the peas," Emma laughed. She did not like peas, and her father laughed too. After that, Emma and her mother finished the decorations. They cleaned the house and fixed small details. The house looked more beautiful every minute. In the afternoon, everything was almost ready. Emma felt tired, but very happy. She knew this Christmas was going to be unforgettable.